Hey everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. What do you do when you experience sugar cravings? How do you deal with it? Well, I have a effective strategy that I suggest to clients, and it really helps them quite a bit. And I will talk about that during this video. Conquering your cravings with my 10-minute rule. As you navigate the rewarding yet challenging journey of a ketogenic lifestyle, mastering the art of controlling cravings becomes crucial. Whether you're a seasoned keto veteran or a curious newcomer, the allure of carb-rich snacks and sugary treats can occasionally seem irresistible. Here's where the 10-minute rule comes into play, a powerful strategy designed to empower you, the keto enthusiast, to make mindful decisions about what you eat, reinforcing your commitment to a healthier you. So let's talk specifically about understanding the 10-minute rule. At its core, the 10-minute rule is simplicity itself. When craving strikes, pause and wait for 10 minutes before deciding whether to indulge. This brief period allows you to step back, assess your true hunger signals, and make a decision that aligns with your ketogenic lifestyle goals. Now let's talk about why the 10-minute rule works. Well, first off, let's talk about psychological distance. Cravings are often impulsive. By waiting, you create a psychological buffer, shifting from a reactive state to a more contemplative one. This distance helps in assessing whether the craving is a genuine need or a fleeting whim. Number 2, mindfulness. The 10-minute wait encourages mindfulness, urging you to consider the reasons behind your craving. Is it hunger, boredom, stress, or perhaps emotional discomfort? Identifying the root cause can lead to healthier coping mechanisms over time. And number 3, empowerment. Every time you successfully wait out a craving, you reinforce your ability to control impulses, building confidence and resilience in your dietary choices. This empowerment is key to maintaining a keto lifestyle long term. Okay, let's talk now about implementing the 10-minute rule. Set a timer. When a craving hits, start a 10-minute timer. This formal act can help solidify your commitment to waiting. Number 2, distraction. Engage in a brief distraction. Take a walk, drink water, or engage in a hobby. Often cravings will dissipate when your mind is elsewhere. Number 3, reflect. Use this time to reflect on your goals and the reasons you chose the keto lifestyle. Reminding yourself of your health and wellness objectives can bolster your resolve. Number 4, decide mindfully. If after 10 minutes the craving persists, make a conscious decision. Opt for a keto-friendly alternative that satisfies the craving without derailing your diet, which is optimal. Or if you choose to indulge, do so in moderation, accepting the decision without guilt. Let's talk about the role of keto-friendly snacks. Keeping keto-friendly snacks at hand can be a lifesaver. Nuts, cheese, olives, or avocado slices are excellent to satiate hunger without breaking your carb limit. Preparing these snacks in advance ensures that you have a healthy option ready, making it easier to bypass non-keto temptations. So in conclusion, the 10-minute rule isn't just about avoiding certain foods. It's about cultivating patience, awareness, and and self-discipline, qualities essential for any lifestyle change, especially one transformative as keto. By incorporating this simple yet effective strategy into your daily routine, you not only navigate cravings more successfully, but also enhance your overall wellness journey. Remember, each craving you conquer is a step closer to your goals, reinforcing the notion that you are in control, one mindful decision at a time. So I hope you found this discussion helpful, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button underneath this video. I would appreciate you doing that. Thank you so much. And certainly comments and questions, please post them underneath this video. I will respond to everybody, and I appreciate you coming by today to watch my video. This is SWt&x from beautiful Miami, Florida, and we'll talk again with you tomorrow. Bye-bye now.